GPRE stock analysis and GPRE stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Green Plains with a decent 20% increase in price. If you ask me, mate, all I'm looking to do is just double down like a madman here. Like having double over 42,000 videos. It's not just discretion, bro. It's just refinement. And with with GPRE, like what's just giving it all away is just the shift that I've gotten. I don't think like this can definitely just die out just the next Monday when we open, just gaps down or whatever. But since it's sitting here, it does not hurt to be ready if it does happen on Monday, right? So I'm saying waiting for a 15-minute, 5-minute confirmation or whatever to just demolish this. And if the price doesn't sort of pull down and shows me rules, then I guess I'm not going to be sitting here and buying. Very simple. So let's get rid of that. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.